Top 10 quotes about life. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Charles Swindoll. The purpose of life is not to be happy, it is to be useful. To be honourable, to be. The biggest adventure you can take is to live. The life of your dreams, Oprah Winfrey. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confucius. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Helen Keller. Life is like a mirror, we get the best results when we smile at it, unknown. Life is a journey that must be travelled. No matter how bad the roads and accommodations. Oliver Goldsmith, Helen Keller. The purpose of life is not to be happy, it is to be useful. To be honourable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference. That you have lived and lived well, Ralph Waldo Emerson.